What's up, y'all? It's Jordan Martin with Martin Stock Club, Martin Investment Group. And this is going to be three stocks I'm looking at for tomorrow, kind of with a bonus one. Uh, I'm feeling good. Called out Upstart puts to the team for earnings, and it dropped it down 24% after hours. So these $15 puts or 15 strike puts that we got don't go crazy. But I show Upstart to say that if Upstart does open up down here tomorrow, there is some opportunity to trade it in the range from its gap down level. We're gonna see how it happens with pre-market. But looking at potential for a reversal or a pullback up, that's a 15% move just to go retest the high of that original gap down. So opportunity, right? It's a day trade opportunity. But let's go ahead and move on to the watch list. Amazon. Uh, Amazon. What I'm looking at with Amazon is this bear flag. So it started bear flag, and it's easy, real easy to see on a 1 hour bear flag forming on Amazon. It broke through, came back inside of it. So waiting on it to just break back through. I do have an alert set for a break below this low. And of course, I really want to get below this low so we can go ahead and start moving on down. But on the low I have laid out for my alert is 8805 or about 8804, 8803. So that, let me actually change that because it's 8804. So 8804 from my Amazon puts, I do want it to see actually break down below 8750 would be nice, but could scalp it from 8804 down to 8752. So a quick little 50-cent gain. But ultimately, that's what I'm looking at on Amazon. And this move really would be a nice swing because if we break it out to the weekly, we see that we can come back down into this range, and it's going to be taking us down about another $5. So might even end up getting 2 weeks out, of course, multiple contracts, and see if I could take it down to 84 and just ride that wave down, let the momentum carry me. All right, so that's Amazon. Slide over to Tesla. Okay, so Tesla, what I'm looking at, first of all, let me go back to the weekly. First of all, we see that we're in a heavy demand, right? So previous bounces on the weekly coming from this area, and now we're testing it again. Right, we're probably a little oversold on a daily. I don't use indicators normally, but it's public RSI, right? And boom, we are oversold, right? 28. So that's good. And on the 1 hour, right, we see that we did bounce out of it. We're starting to kind of base right here on the 1 hour. So I'm just looking at us getting a nice move back up. We can even start looking at a trend line on the 1 hour that we're holding. We'll see what happens pre-market. But I like Tesla for a move back up, and there's a gap fill above at 197. Sorry about that. It's a gap fill above at 197. So we will be looking at that as well. And then the last one will be Kellogg's, right? And so for Kellogg, what I'm looking at is the double inside on the 1 hour. I might have had that on, sorry, regular. There we go. So on regular session, you can see double inside bars on the 1 hour. This one broke the low by 1 cent. So close, right? Double inside on one, take it out to the daily. And we see that we are starting to come back up in this original range made by that big earnings drop candle. So that's going to be on my watch list for that reason. Bouncing out of this demand zone, coming up, had this inside candle trigger that I didn't even look at because I don't really don't look at Kellogg's, but looking for a continuation if it makes a new high. Go ahead, and here are some of the levels that I'll be looking at, taking profits at, and leaving some contracts to just catch a bigger move. I'm going to probably get again 2 weeks out on these. I'll just see how much of the move I can catch. Why not, right? So if you want to see us trade these, you want to see the call outs, every single day we're going live trading, teaching classes, and then calling out trades and helping our members in our group. Links in the description. And as always, like, comment, share, subscribe. And I'm always happy to help. Let's make some money. Have a good day.